So we are preparing the chicken broth for the chicken corn soup, and I have put this I will share entire ingredient of what I have used to make this chicken broth for the soup in my description bar, guys. You can see the entire recipe. It's very simple. I'm just going to let the chicken that is inside this broth, I will let it soft and let it get it soft, and I will let all these spices, amalgamate in the broth, and we're going to make a very quick chicken broth. And also we are going to be making a chicken corn soup recipe today, so stay with me and let me show you the entire recipe. So guys, for the chicken corn soup, I have made my chicken broth. This is like 8 cups of broth, right? 8 cups. This is 2 egg whites. I have taken some creamed, I have taken half cup of corn, and I have creamed the in the corn in the blender with some water. This is some corn, 2 tablespoons of corn that I'll put in the end. I've taken 1 teaspoon salt. You can put salt as per your taste. And I have taken 2 cups of shredded chicken for the chicken corn soup. In the now I'm preparing the chicken corn soup. I have put the broth, I have put the shredded chicken, and I have added I have added the corn as well in it, the creamed corn, and I have also added the salt. So I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes. Guys, now this that I've used is, I've used 4 teaspoons of corn flour, and I've put half cup of cold water in this. You do not have to take any normal water. You have to use half cup of cold water. And now I'm going to add it in our soup. Like that. Okay. And we are going to be giving it a mix. Guys, I'm also adding the white of the egg in the soup, and I'm going to stir it. If you think that you want the soup more thick, you can add some more corn flour in it. I think the thickness is fine of the soup. I didn't want it very thick. I just wanted it to be like this. But if you want it very thick, then you can definitely add some more corn flour. So this soup is absolutely ready. It can serve like 5 to 6 people, and it has all the goodness. Corn soup looks like this, guys. It looks delicious. Give it a try. It's such an easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See the entire ingredients in the description.